Welcome to a third Java tutorial, and today we'll guide you through installing and using IntelliJ IDEA, one of the most popular IDEs for Java programming, and we'll cover some basic features to help you get started quickly. To install IntelliJ IDEA, you can either search for IntelliJ IDEA in a search engine or go directly to the JetBrains website. On this page, you'll see two versions of the software, IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate and IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. The Community Edition is free and open source, while the Ultimate Edition is commercial, but includes a free 30-day trial. The Ultimate Edition comes with additional features like support for more languages, frameworks, and database tools. However, if you're just starting to learn Java, the Community Edition is more than sufficient for your needs. In my career, there were times when I had to use IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition for work projects. And while it wasn't always convenient, especially without support for the Spring framework or JavaScript and TypeScript support, it wasn't a major issue. I was still able to complete my tasks successfully. So if you're just starting to learn Java, the Community Edition is more than enough for you. To download, select the operating system if it hasn't been automatically detected, and choose the download option. For Windows, I prefer selecting the zip archive. Once the download is complete, unpack the archive to your preferred directory, and you can run the executable file to start IntelliJ IDEA. After accepting JetBrains Community Edition terms, you'll see a welcome screen. Here in the project section, you can create a new project, open an existing project from your disk, or use a version control system to clone a repository. You will also see several other sections on the left. In the Customize section, you can select a theme. In my case, I prefer using a dark theme. In Plugins section, you can install additional plugins, but we won't need any additional plugins at this point. Let's create a new project. Click New Project. Here, type the name of the project. Let's call it HelloWorld app. Here, set the location of the project. The build system is IntelliJ by default, and leave it as it is. If you can't see anything under the JDK section, select Add JDK from disk and uncheck Add Sample Code, because we won't need that. Then hit Create button. So after I clicked Create, a new window will appear. On the left side you can see Project View with HelloWorld app empty project, which IntelliJ IDEA created for us. Under External Libraries you can see Java standard library with all the modules, packages and classes. And under Scratches and Consoles, you can create some nodes and files which are not directly related to HelloWorld app. This is the space just to test some code snippets. So let's create a simple console application. Select SRC folder, and this is the folder with all the source code of the project. Right-click, select New, Java class, and type the name of the class, HelloWorld app. So now we'll use something which is called live templates, and those are predefined code snippets. On the second line, type psvm and hit enter. And you can see that IntelliJ IDEA inserted the main method for us. Now type sout and press tab or enter. And here inside the quotes type hello world. Let's review the code we've just written. We have hello world app class, and in Java classes incorporate code. Then we have the main method, and this is the entry point for our console application. And on the third line we call println. This is a method which prints hello world string to the console. Now, you don't have to understand every single word in this code, like public static void and string args. We'll get back to that later. To run the code, click one of those green triangles and select Run HelloWorld app.main. So now the IntelliJ IDEA compiled our class and put it in the out production HelloWorld app folder. And you can see here HelloWorld app. This is the binary class. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see Run Tool window with the result of the execution of the program. Now let's print out another string, but this time without using live templates. IntelliJ IDEA comes with code completion feature. So when you start typing and you're satisfied with the suggestion, you can press tab and then again dot, tab, dot, tab, and finish writing the string. Now suppose you've missed a semicolon or made another typo. You can quickly fix it because IntelliJ IDEA gives you a suggestion with the red symbols. So we can hover over here or here or here and apply the suggestion. If you hover over a class, a field, or a method, you can see a pop-up window with the documentation. In this case, this is the documentation from the Java standard library. You can also open this documentation in a separate window, like this. While working in IntelliJ IDEA, you'll find keyboard shortcuts to be quite helpful. There is already a great video on IntelliJ IDEA's YouTube channel with the most popular shortcuts. I will leave the link in the description. So I will only mention a few of them. Suppose your code is not well formatted. For example, like this. To reformat the code, press Ctrl, Alt, and L. If you'd like to navigate to the implementation of a class, a field, or a method, hover over the element, press and hold Ctrl and left-click. This will take you to the source code with the implementation. If you'd like to search for something specific, press Shift twice. This will open a search window where you can search for classes, files, actions, and more. So where can you learn more? If you return to the welcome screen, you can do this by closing the current project. Under the Learn section, you'll see Learn IDE features. This is an interactive short course that I highly recommend. While some parts may feel challenging if you're a total beginner, the first lesson is an onboarding tour that's easy to follow even for those just starting out. At the bottom of the window, you'll also find several useful links to IntelliJ IDEA resources, including the documentation, YouTube channel, a PDF with keyboard shortcuts, and the tip of the day. If you like the video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.